it's hell on my ears when that feedback starts coming in.
Yeah, what's that coming from, the microphone, or what's giving you the feedback there?
Evidently, it's coming through the scanner. The scanner's about 5 foot away, but evidently I'm getting into it. I'm moving my station around. I don't have everything grounded out, so I guess I better get on that.
Oh, that's what it is. Okay, so just interference from the scanner. You're definitely coming in loud.
Roger that. I'm pointing west. I'm out here in Arkansas. Where am I talking to right now?
612 Skip Junkie out here off the far west coast of Canada, out here on the Gulf Islands.
612, is that your numbers?
You betcha. 612 Skip Junkie, Gulf Islands, out in the far west coast of Canada.
Yeah, Roger. I've talked to you before up there on 20. What was that? 28.
Yeah, I'm up on 28 a lot. And when that skip dies out, I kind of go up on sideband to work the Hawaiian and Australian stuff. But I was just up on 28. It's too noisy.
Yeah, I hear that. I was trying to get this thing all tuned out and everything, moving everything around, making sure I don't have any wires crossed, and thought I'd come down here and get it. There's a Bigfoot, by the way, down here in Arkansas.
Gotta like Bigfoot. I think you guys actually have Bigfoot in the Razorback. There's certainly lots of Bigfoot up here on the coast of Canada.
Yeah, Roger that. I just got a report just a couple of days ago. 3 different people, multiple vehicles, saw one in Missouri.
Right on, man. That's awesome. Yeah, no, I follow that stuff big time, and I do believe in it. And, you know, my wife filmed something in 2013, which a lot of people think is a Bigfoot in Port Renfrew on the far west coast near us here. It's on her YouTube channel. Whatever it was we saw was freaking massive.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, I remember you telling me about you had some stuff on the YouTube channel. I checked that out the last time I talked to you there. I remember that. Yeah, I follow all that stuff as well.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. I know there's not a lot of non-believers out there, but you know what? I believe. I definitely believe. I'm not narrow-minded. I'm open to everything, and I think, you know, there's so much vast forest out there that those things could hide in.
You got that right, especially out in your part of the world there. There's a lot of territory that nobody goes into versus where I'm at. But we even get the reports down here. But yeah, I'm a true believer myself.
Yeah, I was watching one down there in Arkansas, and they said somebody spotted more like a whiter colored hairy one right up here. They're dark, but I know they're dark down there too. But there was somebody down there in Arkansas. I was watching a video, and there was a report of more of a fair colored hairy one in the forest down there.
Yeah, there's a story back from the 70s that there was a white one running around in these Ozark Mountains, but you don't see very many stories about it.
Maybe that was it. That was probably the story that I saw or video. Somebody was talking about it. Well, I'm heading over to the far west coast next week, so I'll keep my eyes open. I always got my camera with me. Right now I am shooting a video gate, so I will put this on my one of my YouTube channels. I got a video gate channel, just radio stuff.
Roger that. I need to get my stuff hooked all back up. I'm recovering from a stroke. I had a stroke out in Las Vegas back in March, and it's pretty much set me back on my butt for a little bit, so I'm just now getting out here where I can get back on the radio.
Well, you sound good anyway. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, you got to watch that. I don't know. I'm guessing you probably got high blood pressure like me.
Yep, that's exactly what caused it. Got off the airplane in Las Vegas, and within an hour, I had a blood vessel in the middle of my head explode.
Oh my God. Yeah, that's how my dad died. And you don't sound that old. My dad was 82, and it was stroke. He just didn't want to take his meds anymore. Told him to take the meds. He got kind of stubborn, didn't want to do them anymore, and that's what did him in. You're a young guy, man. I'm 58 here, 58 years old, but it does run in our family. But you know what? My aunt is turned 100 years old. 2 weeks ago, my dad's sister turned 100, and she's got high blood pressure too, but she takes those high blood pressure pills, so she's still alive and kicking at 100.
I think Mother Nature kind of shifted on me there. He started dropping out on me, so I'm going to take a standby and finish getting this thing tuned up. I may have to go start cooking soon. I don't know.
You take care down there, buddy. You sound real good up here. Good signal. So I'll put this on Jungle Joe C Video Gates, my YouTube channel for radio stuff. So if you're out there and on YouTube, Jungle Joe C, like Charlie, Video Gates, and you can see the radio stuff because I got you on video right now.
Joe, be watching my YouTube channel is Binary Entertainment. I'll subscribe to you.
And I'll sub right back to you. Always good to talk to the Razorback State. You know, I grow a lot of palm trees from Warren City, Arkansas. Southwest corner of Arkansas, they got native palm trees, and that's what I do up here. I grow a lot of palms, and I got a lot of Razorback palms in the garden.
Roger. Heck, I didn't even know we had palm trees in Arkansas. Southwest corner, they got alligators down there. I don't like going down there.
Warren City, Arkansas. The species of the palm is called sable minor. It's a dwarf palmetto, and they are native to that area. And I got friends that live in Arkansas, send me a lot of seeds over the years, so I got a lot of them growing here.
That's not something you think about. Palm trees in Canada. That doesn't seem like a sentence that I would say very often.
You would be blown away if you've seen our island, man. There are so many palm trees on the west coast of Canada, especially near the ocean. There are palm-lined streets, buddy. Check out my channel, Banana JSSI. So Banana Joe, Salt Spring Island. I live on Salt Spring Island, but the channel is called Banana JSSI. It's all about palm trees here.
Roger, will do.
All right, man. You take care, and sending positive thoughts your way.
I appreciate it, man. Enjoy that DX while it's out there, man. Good talking to you. We'll do it again real soon. I'm getting all set back up. I'm running about 25% of what I'm capable of, so I'm pointed right at California. That's the thing. I'm not even pointed up your way.
Yeah, we're 100 miles, about 100 miles north of Seattle here. Same archipelago as Washington State, San Juan Islands. We're in the Gulf Islands. So what was your number down there? What is your number? I'm 612.
256, my number. Bigfoot, 256.
I like it, okay, because I got to title the video, so we'll call it 256 Bigfoot, Arkansas. I always have to title the videos.
Roger that. I'll be looking for it. All right, man, we'll let you go. I got to go in here and start cooking. Enjoy that DX. Bigfoot and these Ozark Mountains kicking back, reading the mail.
Take care, Bigfoot. 73s to you, buddy, and we'll talk to you again. 256 612 Skip Junkie. Southern Gulf Islands off the far west coast of Canada. We'll be reading the mail.